Hi there. Soulbound tokens are NFT collections that where the NFTs are non-transferable. This helps to reduce, for instance, Sybil attacks where people can create multiple NFTs and it's really the same person. So by tying it to one person and then potentially also adding a KYC step, you're able to narrow down that this particular NFT is this person and it's this person only. And that helps in a variety of applications, such as loyalty programs, token gating, etc. All of that you can do from the Soulbound token contract to the token gating to the KYC gating with Adexo. Let's start and just show you how easy it is to create the collection itself. So I've got this demo project with, as you can see, multiple modules. Let me show you just how easy it is to create just a collection. So we click NFT collection, click next. This is an SBT demo. SBT is short for Soulbound token. And now I can click through on that SBT demo and enter in the details required to create the Soulbound token. Now, number of choices. The collection name. Let's call it SBT video and give it a symbol, SBTV. There's a number of different blockchains you can choose from in IDEXO, and we're adding more all the time. If there's one that you don't see here that you'd like to have, please let us know. And so we're just going to select a chain, give it a description, and you can choose whether to have it be capped. That means there can only be this many SBTs created within this contract, or you can choose to have no cap. And you must choose then one of the Soulbound token standard contracts. Here, we'll just choose the standard Soulbound contract. I can choose what metadata storage. When an NFT is created, it's associated with a metadata file. This selection determines which storage network to use. I'll just use the default here, Arweave, and I'm going to save that. And as simple as that, I've got this corded. I can build the NFTs themselves. So an SBT is a type of NFT, and I can do that here in the Add NFTs, or I can deploy it, which will require me to have some credits to do that. So if I click on deploy, you can see that it says I don't have enough credits. And so we'll go into a video about how you can actually add those credits and use them. But assuming I had those credits, then when I click deploy, this would work and you would see it in the contracts and you'd be able to use it. But you can see that with just a few form fields and a click, I'm creating a Soulbound token contract. And then I can pair that with the one-click UI for token gating and advanced modules like KYC gating and NFT minting, SBT minting on Twitter or Telegram or other areas to create sort of advanced user workflows.